Hello everybody! Now I'm gonna make an experiment called the disappearing water. For a start, let's move on to the hypothesis. I forecast that if you add the half glass of water and the SAP powder, it will fall down. Next, we move on to the apparatus required. The materials which I'm gonna use are SAP powder, half glass of water, teaspoon, and a transparent cup. Next, we move on to the procedures. Did you know that the SAP powder stands for super absorbent polymer? First, take a teaspoon of SAP powder and pour it in the transparent cup. Next, take the glass of water. Now, count until 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. When we turn it upside down, this is what happens. Can you see? The water has disappeared! Wow! Now, next we move on to observation. What I observe from this is that when we add the SAP powder, it absorbs large amount of liquid from the container and it becomes 300 times of its weight. Finally, we move on to the result. Now I know that my hypothesis was incorrect. Because what I said was if you add the SAP powder and the water will flow. But the correct information is that when we add the SAP powder and a half glass of water, the water will disappear. Did you know that you can find this gel called hydrogel in babies' diapers? Thank you for watching. Bye!